suggest the sequence for the next 3 or 4. Arjun, Nidhi, Vinod, Ashish, and who else is there? 15, 17 years. No, I'm just going. Sorry, Amit.
You scared the crap out of me the first time. So, I joined as a summer trainee, never seen an office before, told to come and meet you to discuss my project, and I think you asked me something like 60 questions, most of which I replied, I don't know, but I'll read up and come back to you. And I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do here for the next 2 months. I'm definitely screwed. Like Abhishek, I found ways to avoid you in those first 3-4 weeks.
Susie is going to hear this a lot today. इसको disallow कर देते हैं.
बोल दो वही वाला बोल दो बस एक बार समझ आएगा.
So, Sant Nagar, you were on the second floor, first floor. कौन सा था? First floor, second floor. Second. तो मैं second floor जाता ही नहीं था. It was the only floor which had, I think, cooling, but
No, there was no cooling, sir.
एक कूलर था.
अब वो
एक कूलर था ऑफिस में.
That's not called cooling.
Compared to the ground floor, it was cool, okay? बाद में थे.
मेरे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे डाउट कर रहे हो. और समर ट्रेनिंग को नहीं दिया होगा ना. समर ट्रेनिंग है तो समर we had in the Sant Nagar was that was a move when we moved from small offices to
समर ट्रेनिंग तो सफर ट्रेनिंग था.
So I had full experience of that for the first 3-4 weeks or so, and then suddenly when I realized I was completely floundering and completely lost, then one day he called me to his room and said, "Sit up. Where are you stuck?" And then I got to see the other side of Susie, the mentor, the friend, the advisor, and he invested 2-3 hours to explain to me how I should actually approach that problem. And needless to say, the only reason I'm here 25 years later or 23 years later is because of that conversation we had in April 21. So,
Wow.
thank you. We didn't work a lot together for 2-3 years. I remember there was a ERP client-side implementation that we tried to do with our first version of the ERP. So you had chosen the South Campus Center की एक बकरा मिला है वहाँ अर्जुन बैठा हुआ है तो उसी को सबसे पहले पकड़ते हैं. And that's how our ERP system was born. We did the same with one-to-one counseling and so many tools that you designed and came up with over those next 2-3 years. But the most memorable was when we went to Indore for for putting up our school there. I remember the first year we only had 15 odd students.
23.
And sorry?
23.
23, okay. And the next year we did 220. So the first visit, you, I and Rakesh Sehgal went together. And the first thing we did on our way to the guest house was stop at a Theka and pick up a couple of bottles. So I said, okay, this trip is going to be fun. And there I got to see a completely different side of Susie, because suddenly we were in a place where there were 40 ladies and Susie was the boss there. And from the tough guy, hard exterior to the completely different, nurturing, extremely mellowed down, exceptionally friendly guide. It was a completely different version of him for that situation. And then of course, I had my break and I came back in 2017 and worked with you again then for a year and a half. That was fun. I think one thing that stays with me forever when I think about you is your undying attention to our core values. I think if there is, you know, every person has a core value that is maybe a little dearer to them. So someone might have honesty and integrity as number one, and openness and ownership as number 2 or 3, and so on. I think when I look at the founding team and look at the core values, I think Suzy is one person who has all 6 in abundance. Sorry, all 5 in abundance, and you know, looks at them as his core when taking decisions, especially when there is anything that needs to be, you know, in shades of grey. It's either black or it's white. It can never be shades of grey. So I think that is one thing that is absolutely exceptional about you, and I think you've done a fantastic job holding that for 20 plus years and ensuring that they stay enshrined in everyone who comes in over the years. So thank you so much for everything you've done for everyone here, and wish you all the best.
Nitin?
I think in last 19 years मैंने सूजी से ज़्यादा राष्ट्रीय के साथ काम कर लिया last couple of years. But I still remember, and in fact I was thinking about it yesterday, the first time we interacted actually, and that was in Sapta. So we had that MPs and appraisals meeting, so the achievers meeting actually, and morning time सुबह हम लोग पहुँचे थे. And I got the opportunity to interact with both Srini and Suzy. नीचे हम लोग खड़े थे, सारी जीप ऊपर चली गई सबको लेकर के, कपिल भाटिया and all, if you remember. So I think Satya was also there. Yeah. Ashish too. So I started talking with them, and I thought I'm getting great insights without realizing कि सभी जा चुके हैं. Only 3 of us are there and 4 of us are there actually. And then suddenly asked Srini, हमें भी चलना चाहिए. जीप आती होगी तो Srini said जीप में कुछ नहीं है, सुई से पैदल ही चलना है. तो पूरा पहाड़ ऊपर चढ़ के गए थे. So that was the first interaction, and I think couple of instances where I had to write you and I got a prompt response. Thankfully HR को थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगाव था मेरे से. मैं 2-3 साल रहता मुझे एक्स्ट्रा सैलरी मिली. कोई ना कोई एक मंथ होता था किसी सीनियर लीडरशिप टीम की सैलरी मेरे पास ट्रांसफर एंड एवरी टाइम दैट कॉल जॉनसन विल कॉल बैक कि यार वो ना चेक से वापस कर दे. तो मैंने मेरा सैलरी स्लिप सब क्यों खराब कर दिया. So once I wrote to Suzy and things got smoother from there. And I think more we started because Suzy was, I think, not very frequent to the centers. Satya and GP would come, so we had interacted a lot in my early days. But I think we started more interacting when I shifted to this the basement office, the next building actually. Very few opportunities, but I think as we know, जो बाकी लोगों ने बोला tough from outside, तो निखिल और सूजी का ये था कि निखिल और सूजी सामने से आए तो थोड़ा कट के निकल लो. तो I did most of that actually, but yeah, I'm going to miss you for sure. There have been instances where you have been really helpful actually, and I think I discussed a couple of personal matters once. I did namaste Anna, so you're quite helpful over there. एक जो सूजी का feedback है जो मैंने कभी implement नहीं किया, I think you kind of scolded कि you have to put your phone off or something. I still remember that day actually, but to other people very impressive. But it is in my hands, so I need to reply. Surely, Suzy, we are going to miss you, but I think if you are moving to Calcutta, we are meeting in next 6 months for sure. December 26th, that's the date I can recall. AVR में तो मुलाकात होगी definitely, and I'm sure we will.
वो तो मोह का कंडीशन था कि अगले 25 AVR तो हम लोग आ ही रहे हैं.
Actually, I was not aware of a nickname actually, so when I went to school, I told Suzy actually, I went to that school in Sake. So the principal told me, do you know Mao? Because he asked about Sujit actually, and Suzy me yeah, I know him actually. So then I got to know कि हाँ मुझे नाम पता लगा. Rajiv's wife, your school friend.
Saxena.
Yeah, she is the principal in the school. All the best, Suzy. Thank you.
Thank you.